Today we have to discuss our new topic, that is sets. What is the meaning of set? A set is nothing that is a well defined collection of objects, and these objects are known as elements. So there are so many types of sets. People in the class is offered by department, colors of the rainbow, and state of matter, state in US. Sets can contain non-related elements. So in this definition, what is the meaning of well defined? If elements of the sets are collected without any hesitation, then we can say these elements are well defined, means set is well defined. Otherwise it is not a set. Some other terms of sets: all the positive numbers less than and equal to 5 is also a set. A few selected real numbers like 2.1 pi 0 minus 6.32e is also a set. Next, in set theory, we have some notations. If a element belongs to a set, first of all, a set always represented in uppercase, and elements in the set is always represented in lowercase. If we write a belongs to a, then this notation is important, and if a not belongs to set a, then other notation is important. If a set contain a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, an, then we can say a contains, means a1 contained in capital A. Order of the element is meaningless, means a2 is first and a1 is next, then a3, a5, a9, a10, an. There is no matters, means order of the element is meaningless. If a set contains repeated elements, then these elements counted one times. Next, some other examples of the sets: if a set contain zero element, no element, then we can say this is empty set. If a set contain single element, then we can say it is a singleton set. So these are some notation for set. Some other examples of the sets: set of rational number. So first of all, you have to know what is the meaning of rational number. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 and co-prime numbers. So this is the representation for set of rational numbers. Thank you.